Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, welcome and please consider subscribing. Okay, you guys, first off, I want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I definitely see a lot of growth with my channel, and I just really want to shout out all of you guys. YouTube doesn't show me like who everybody is. A lot of times I just check and then I see I got a lot more subscribers and I don't know like who you guys are. So for everybody who is a recent subscriber, thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really love y'all and I appreciate y'all for that. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be unboxing. I got this from Tino Vo. I've bought products from him before, but I'll tell you guys why I got what I got when I open it up. So let me open the box. This actually came inside of a bubble mailer, but it was torn. So I just, you know, opened it all the way up and just took this out. So this is, let's see what's up in here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. These are the instructions. He's the only person that I know that gives actual instructions like this, which is great because a lot of times you buy stuff and you don't know, you know, what all you can do with it. So I like that. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay. These, let me just open everything out of here first. And then I'll tell y'all what it is and why I got it. Okay, so these right here are his pigments or whatnot. Now, the reason why I got his pigments was because I didn't have a color red. I didn't have a red pigment. But I noticed that his set did. At least this, it looks like it's a red. I think that's a red. So I just got, you know, his set because of the red, and because when I see him using his pigments, they seem to stick better than the ones that I have. So these are the colors that I don't think I gotta open all of them. Let me show you how small they are. They're really, really, really small, but you know, this stuff lasts forever. So I got his pigments because I bought plenty of pigments before, because as you guys know, I hand mix all of my own acrylic colors, which is why in a lot of my videos, you guys don't see me show you, you know, the colors that I'm using, because I didn't hand mix them myself using pigments and the Young Nails clear acrylic powder. But all pigments are not made equally. Some perform better than others. And so I just wanted to buy his and see if, you know, there's a quality difference, because when I see him use his, you know, it's flawless. He doesn't have like any of the issues that I have with when I'm using the ones that I use. So I wanted to just, you know, purchase his just to see if, you know, there is any difference. So when I use them, I'll let you guys know. You know, I'll give you an update or whatnot and let you know if the quality is the same or if they're different. This is where I got it from. I believe it's Vo.Tino or TinoVo.shop. I believe that's where you can go and find his stuff at. Okay, these right here that I got, I actually have purchased this one before. This is his texture effect gel. I already have a black one, but I just got the set or whatnot because I wanted to get the white one. So I just, you know, this stuff, you can do so much with it. I needed to get another one. So that's why I just got the set. So I got the texture effects. I don't know if you guys seen my other video where I did the alligator type skin nails that I used the pigments or whatnot. That to get that, I use this or whatnot. So I already have it in black. I'm not gonna open this one or not. I'm not gonna open this one, but I will well, I'm not going to open this one either because, I mean, it's gel, but the way that it's formulated, it doesn't spread or it doesn't move or anything like that. It holds its shape to give you that 3D effect. And this one right here is the white one. Now, I don't have the white one. Like I said, I really wanted to get this. So now I got both of them. And these, after you cure them in the light for 60 seconds, you can immediately go over them with a chrome powder if you wanted to do chrome, and you can get, let me show you the effect. He has it on here, and you guys can get this kind of effect right here. I hope I'm in, you know, whatever the 3D is, you know, you can put the chrome or whatever color directly over it without needing to top it with a clear top coat, because this doesn't have a sticky layer or whatnot, a tacky layer. So once it's cured, it's done. You don't have to do anything else with it, unless you want to, like, to, you know, use some of this over it or whatnot. But you don't have to. You don't even have to top coat it. It's already has it in it. And this right here, I didn't purchase this. This is a freebie that he gave me. So I will be using it. And I have a green one like this that I got when I purchased from him the last time. And it is very, very, very pigmented. Like, the color payoff is amazing. So I'm excited to see if this one is the same quality as the green one that I got. So that's all that I got, you guys. But I wanted to open it up with you guys so that you guys can see what I got, because I don't shout out everything that I use in all of the videos, because that takes a lot. So if you guys see something that I'm using or whatnot, and you want to know what it is, you know, you can ask down below in the video, and I'll let you know. But what I'm trying to do is just, you know, show off what I'm using inside of the video so you guys can see for yourself, and you don't have to ask me what it is. You already know what it is. So that's all that I got, you guys. So I just wanted to, you know, do this unbox with you guys so you can see what it was. So when I do an updated video and I'm doing different things, you already know, you know, basically what it is that I'm using and where you guys can get it from. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys for taking the time out to watch my videos, and for subscribing and for commenting. I'm so grateful for you guys for that. And I just thank you guys for everything. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.